She walks slowly in the morning. She walks slowly in the morning. I write a letter. I write a letter. When does it arrive? When does it arrive? When does it arrive? They love to play football. They love to play football. They love to play football. I brush my teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day. We go to the beach every summer. We go the beach every summer. They score good marks in exam. They score good marks in exam. John goes for a walk daily. John goes for a walk daily. Do you like to watch cricket? Do you like to watch cricket? Parrots love to eat apples. Parrots love to eat apples. Do you smoke? Do you smoke? Do you read? Do you read? We do not travel. We do not travel. I wait for him. I wait for him. Does she speak English? Does she speak English? Do you swim well? Do you swim well? I do my homework at school. I do my homework at school. How old is your brother? How old is your brother? She behaves badly. She behaves badly. I usually drink tea for breakfast. I usually drink tea for breakfast. Riya dances at the party. Riya dances at the party. Does your mother get up early? Does your mother get up early? She does her work daily. She does her work daily. The peon rings the bell. The peon rings the bell. The train leaves in 30 minutes. The train leaves in 30 minutes. She wants to talk to you. She wants to talk to you. She never goes to school. She never goes to school. I don't go to work by bus. I don't go to work by bus. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate?